Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the sports watch. Simple as that. A really interesting budget smartwatch that you can buy. Run, heart rate, pedometer, sleep monitor, calories, message, push, call alert, time, alarm, and SMS alert. So I'm not sure if you can actually use it to speak through it. But otherwise it's just amazing. It is amazing for how much it costs and what it can do, and the clarity of the screen is just brilliant. So let's dive into it. So as you can see, they really reduced the expenses on the packaging. It's very basic, but then the product itself, it's just amazing. So you only get the charger, which is this type of charger. It's magnetic, so it goes on the back in a specific position, and it's just charging USB-A. So that's all you get with it, and some brilliant instructions, which I've noticed they are really well written. So with this one, you will require to download an app. It's called DaFit. And you will see the instructions are in various languages and really well printed. That's your English section. So it will even show you a link, a QR code from where you can download the app. And then it just gives you the smart features, which will be weather, message reminder, remote shutter for the camera, player shutter as well, so you can play on another device to remote control the music on your phone. Settings, stopwatch, silent alarms, remind to drink water, remind to move. As you can see, that's how you go around the smartwatch. You have sleep, heart rate, activity, exercise, blood pressure, SpO2, and many more. So let's see if it gives us some information here. Using in wet condition, your device is water resistant, which means it's rain proof and splash proof and can stand up to even sweatiest workout. Okay. It does say do not swim with the smart bracelet. We also don't recommend showering with your wristband. I don't know why they refer it as as they can shower with this. This is the wristband. This is a smartwatch. So probably it's not recommended to use it when swimming or showering, although you have like a swimming sport in there, but I'll show you later. So it fits a wrist between 5.5 and 7.7 inches in circumference. It will operate between 14 Fahrenheit, like minus 10 degrees, and 50 plus, which is quite good. And you won't operate in between minus 20 and 60. Okay, and that's it. That's all you get in terms of information. Let me just quickly show you. So this is just an unboxing video, guys. So it's the belt itself is removable, so you can add any other 22 mil wrists or belt or whatever you want to call it. This is comfortable enough, and you will do at the beginning, so no problems at all in there. And that's how it looks like in here. It looks like it has a speaker. That's the sensors, charging port. Pretty you know, basic. This is metal structure, and then you have the main. So it's clicky and he moves around, and you can press it, and that's your action button, so it takes you straight into the all the sports, which I'll get into in just a second. So yeah, let's dive in. First of all, have a look at how clear it's this. It almost feels unreal. Look at that. It's just really good viewing angles for such an inexpensive device, and it's packed with features. First of all, let me show you how it looks like on my wrist. So my wrist, it's quite thick, so to be comfortable, I'll probably have it like this, and you see you still have 3 more to go. Okay, and obviously you can change this if you don't like it. That's how it looks like on my hand. Yeah, so what I've noticed, if sometimes if you don't do it fast enough, so if you just try this, you see it doesn't go on. You have to do a bit of a, you have to do it a bit faster. So let me just take it off because I think you can see better when it's not on my hand. And let's just go through the settings. Yeah, so first of all, if you go this way, you can set this in Apple kind of like look, so you can access everything from here, having this menu, which a lot of you would love to. And then because I'm here, you can't really go out of this, so you just have to press back this button. But in the settings, you can see you can under the display you have different types of menus. So that's the honeycomb. You have the list view. If you prefer that, you have the parallel. So this one goes like that. Just not bad. And then there's one more which I want to show you. I hope you can see. So menu view and grid view. Yeah, so that goes like that. Okay, so let me just put it for now in the list view because it will be easier for me to go through it and show you around. Yeah, so first of all, you have this is like your general kind of inexpensive smartwatch menu. So you, on all of them, you kind of get this and this look. So you have activity. That's where you're gonna see your activities. So I've done 5,600 steps today. It says I burned 530. I have to say I was using also my smartwatch, my smartphone, and with the Samsung Health, and it was pretty much the same. And then that's all you get in there. If you click, you won't get more. Sleep, you wear it where you sleep, and then it will show you in here if you are good. Heart rate, exercise. So this is where you can also access it directly from here. You see, if I press on this button, it takes me straight into the exercise. So you have walking, and then you can start, you can set the goal. Yep. Running, they all have the same kind of thing. So you just set your goals in there, and it will alert you. Cycling, as you can see, is very responsive, so it operates very well. Skipping, badminton, basketball, football, swimming. So you see it has swimming, so that's where I'm wondering, is it okay to swim with it or not? Because otherwise, how would you use it when swimming? So let's see what kind of, yeah, if I say start, what's gonna happen? Yeah, so it's kind of showing that you would use it when you swim. So, you know, see, it's already, that's the time. If you wanna turn it off, you just swipe like that and you turn it off. So you have swimming, sorry, I hope you can still see, climbing, tennis, rugby, golf, yoga, fitness, dancing, baseball, sorry, how I say this? Elliptical, indoor cycling, indoor cycling, free training, rowing machine, and you can even add your other sport, you know. So you have sailing, water polo, so you have all these kind of, wow, loads of other sports that you can add, or outdoor activities. You can add more, even ATV. Wow, this is packed with things you can add. Training, you can add more. Wow, it just never ends. Abs. So yeah, in terms of this is brilliant. How well they work, I haven't been able to test any of them apart of steps. So yeah, so that's that we went through. That's where you see your notifications, if you received any messages, emails, or whatever you want to allow it to see. That's where you have your quick menu, and I think this is where it says if it's connected with a watch or not. The little clip kind of. That's the battery percentage. You can add e-cards in the app. Not too sure what exactly is that. You can also remove the water in the watch. Flashlight, which works really well. Brightness, you have to adjust it yourself. That's in full brightness. Yeah, but the viewing angle is just amazing. It looks like it's a paper on there. It looks like it's printed. So let's just lower this down anyway. So it goes as low as that, and you can still see very well. I took it outside in the sunlight, and I could still see when I've turned it up the brightness. I could still see very well. So no problem at all in there. And then settings, you have the display brightness, auto sleep, watch face. So you can change your watch face. You have plenty in here to choose from, and there's more in the app. Okay, you will see some of these things when you return, and you know, maybe it's me not getting used to it, but I've seen that sometimes it doesn't really return as you would expect. It just goes out of it and you have to go in again. But again, maybe that's expected on this price range. So then you have, so you can even use this wheel to go through vibrations and ring, phone calls, so you can actually get the phone call through this. Do not disturb mode, media, audio, lower power mode, so you enable this to save battery. This is the same, the battery will last you about 2-3 days, or even more, depends how you use it. System will just have like restart, power off, and reset, and then about it will tell you the software and more information about the watch. And then you have also this, so you could have your options. You see, it will actually do a phone call if you pair it. So that's all you have in there, and you can add more. So there you have it, guys. I think, in my opinion, it's really nice watch to have if you don't want to spend loads of money on different brands. But let me show you quickly a few more of these screen protectors. Sorry, screen faces. I do prefer this one. So yeah, there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna put at the end a little video with the Dafit app as well, so you could see. And yeah, I definitely recommend it so far. I'm not sure in time how the battery will last. Obviously, they would probably cut corners somewhere to get such a brilliant display in, and it works with no lag at all. I haven't experienced any problems with it, and I really like it. Thank you for watching, guys. So you just have to install Dafit. It's an app which I think it's available on both Apple and Android, but I'm not 100% sure. Let me just quickly see if they mention about it. They don't. So at this point, I'm using an Android phone, so I've installed it on that. Okay, I can confirm it is available on iOS as well. So as you can see, immediately detected my device, which is the ZW47. So let's just go ahead. Just connecting. You can see it picked up the battery on the smartwatch, and then we just do next. Here is where you set up, your personal information. As you can see, I received a prompt to pair with the device, so I've clicked paired. Okay, you just allow to send notifications, and then this is what you can see: steps, sleep, heart rate, BP, blood, oxygen, period, and weight. Yeah. So let's see what's next. This is where you have some classes. Get information about the smartwatch. You can change your watch face. You can add more. Seems like you get plenty. Yeah, so you get plenty to choose from. Okay, and then what you have: notifications, cricket matches, find device, so it will ring on your device. Alarms, you can set alarms. You can use it to take a photo, so it will activate the shutter of your phone's camera. E-card, favorite contacts, others, and you can use it to upgrade the software, which we'll see now. As you can see, there's no update coming through. So yeah, in the other side you have the account. So you have profile, goals, so you can set goals, background operation protection guide, Google Fit. Oh, that's quite cool that it works with Google Fit. And information about the device, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna use it and yeah, let you know if any issues.